money. I will show you more about that. The company was established in the year 2004 with deep insanity, like कुछ नया करना है, कुछ beautiful कुछ करना है, freedom of doing whatever I want. My father has said, start your business. See, the deep insight that our vision is to transform client's dream into reality through continuous innovation. You will always find lots of innovation in my products. That is Square One. Why Square One? Square One means the beginning of an creativity. Square One works with two verticals. That is, one is Lisio walls and floor coatings. Another is Auto. It's a newborn baby which comes in a franchisee models pan India. I'll talk about Lisio. Lisio is what? It's an epoxy wall and floor coatings, self-leveling for the smooth surface and very useful for pharma companies. And it's very necessary. You might aware of it's used basically for clean room application for the walls as well. No bacteria to be seen. Friends, now let's talk about Auto. What is Auto? Auto is a living in lifestyle. Transforming every franchises, like whoso buy the material from us, he should living lifestyle. Auto means this. Auto is a wholesale division of Square One worldwide. Currently we have 300 stores over Thane, and we are creating a chain of franchises. That is, our target for 2018 is 1,000 stores across the Maharashtra territory.
Wow.
Now, Square One. Square One has a lots of products, but today I'll be saying the limited products about this. Is the textile glass wall fiber wallpaper. Can be painted, crack proof, antifungal, antibacterial, increases the shelf span of wall's life. For example, this is a flakings you will see lots of on the walls which always comes. So people, when you go to someone, wallpaper nahi lagega sir. We can do that. This is a paintable one which has been painted, which is seen in the grey color. You can see the grey color over here. So grey color, and this is a success story which was Sriram developers. We have done a job for them where this kind of wallpaper has been used in a public places where it's been badly used, roughly used, where the flakings was there. Now you see that it's very neat and clean. It's been seen. Friend, everyone see there is a table on the table. There is a good erase. It's a flexible whiteboard. Flexible whiteboard, it comes in a roll form. See? The flexible whiteboard, it comes in a roll form, it can be pasted anywhere. There we had, what is different, what is a success in this? In BNA it says, facts tells, story sells. Now imagine if the story is on the board. Isn't it going to sell, and it goes in the shape, size, symbols and colors of subconscious mind catch?
Yes.
There you will find on the 10 feet, 15 feet wall, single wall you want on the good erase, you can get that. That is the benefit of this material. Friends, the benefit that it's a flexible whiteboard, it can be installed in a smooth surface. It is act as a communicator wall. Nowadays it's a generation gap, boss. When you go at home and when you become the boy sleeping or it's like it works as a communicator. You can write the message, what you want. There are lots of, everyone says, iska to bahut acha chal raha hai, chal nahi raha hai because it's a good erase on the wall, communication. It is used for a age group, reduces the communication gap, increases the creativity of the children. Customized wallpaper always used to say that customize wallpaper. What is mean? And कैसा करना है, क्या करना है, how to find those photographs which I want? I'll help you. It's a very small Shutterstock. It's a website. You just browse those Shutterstock website, okay? Where you can get us vector images. Correct. Now, customize wallpaper. Just select the image through the website. Send the code number and all, and can be done in the required sizes. Whatever sizes of yours, your demand is, we can give. Good images, clarity we can find. Right? You will say the Google में search करो तो it's all pixelating. Whereas this is one of the best sites you can see that. For example, this is a fish, a dolphin fish. Customer came and he said he wants an aquarium at his home. Aquarium, how we can do? He had sent. I said you visit that site and there is a code in that. You can find the code. It's there. And this is a success story we can say.
Wow.
It's a wall, but it gives a feel of aquarium. Another thing. Guru Maharaj, that forest, he went to vacation. He said, I want giraffe. I said, giraffe? वहाँ पे तो rhino है. I want giraffe. Okay. This is a giraffe. The code has been given, and see the success. Dining table with giraffe.
Wow.
Now my specific ask is architect Talati and Panki, Ria Talati, ZZ Architects, consultants I'm looking for, IPS as Mitalia, McDonald, Nexer, Arnita Consultant, NNE Pharmas. The clients which I would love to give you, that is space designer Pallavi Vaisavkar, then interior Sanjay Bobde, Avanti Chavan, Gurupad Nitin Kirsagar, then Leena Jatta, Design Consortium. Friends, I'm open to for any questions you want. Yeah, please.
You can get this wood erase can put on glass.
Yeah, of course, it can be. If you can see, as per the Vastu people say, glass is not good for you, so you can apply wood erase on that. Right on.
Between what is your franchising model? Basically, somebody wants to take the franchising model. What do you expect from it in terms of finance, in terms of whatever?
See, the thing is, minimum he should have a space of 200 square feet, minimum. And it's very oftenly we can get those. So it is done and offline, I can give you the complete details. That is offline, it depends upon his budget.